Imagine for a moment that you could hold time in your hands like a smooth pebble. What would you do with it? Would you skip it across the waters of yesterday to relive moments you cherish, or would you toss it far ahead, leaping into, say, a distant, unknown tomorrow? This thought of playing with time is as old as storytelling itself. From ancient myths to modern movies, the idea of time travel captures our imagination and tickles that persistent curiosity about what might be possible if we could just control time. Let's wander back to a moment from my own life. Picture this: a sunny afternoon in the neighborhood park. The air smells crisp, a mix of freshly cut grass and the earthy hint of fallen leaves. I was there with a friend, his face lit up with the kind of excitement only children seem to muster, as he asked, "Why can't we go back and fix our mistakes?" This got me thinking, not just about the past, but about the very fabric of time itself. Why is it that time seems like an arrow pointing in one direction? The world of physics, our guide to understanding how the universe works, suggests time as a dimension, much like the space around us. You can stretch out your hand and move through space, but time, it's like a river flowing relentlessly onward. Scientists have debated whether it's possible to swim upstream or jump to another part of the river entirely. This brings us to the mysterious realm of time travel theories. The most famous of these is probably Einstein's theory of relativity. I know, it sounds complicated, but stick with me. Imagine you're on a train, moving really fast, close to the speed of light. The world outside blurs by. To you, time inside the train feels normal, but to someone watching from outside, time on your speeding train moves more slowly. A kind of time travel, right? This effect, called time dilation, is real. Astronauts, when they return from space, are tiny fractions of a second younger than they would be if they'd stayed on Earth. Mind-boggling, isn't it? Now let's drift into the realm of the hypothetical, a place where the rules can bend. In science fiction, we often hear about wormholes, those mysterious tunnels in space that might connect distant points. Some scientists speculate that if these wormholes exist, and if they're stable, they might just allow us to travel not just through space, but through time. Imagine stepping into a tunnel in 2023 and emerging in the year 3023. What would the world look like? And how would it feel to breathe in the air of tomorrow, or maybe even centuries past? But here's where it gets tricky. Many thinkers worry about the paradoxes, like the classic grandfather paradox, where traveling back in time might mean changing something so crucial that your future self wouldn't exist to travel back in time at all. It's a head-scratcher, isn't it? These paradoxes remind us that time is not just a line, but a tapestry, woven intricately with cause and effect. And yet there's something profoundly human about our desire to navigate time. Whether it's the soft nostalgia of reliving joyous days or the haunting wish to undo regrets, we all have moments we'd love to revisit or revise. Think about the last time you wished you could change a decision, smooth over a rough conversation, or simply relive a wonderful day. We yearn for control over our past and often dream about glimpsing the future, whether it's out of hope or curiosity. On a slightly different note, have you ever felt that time moves differently depending on what you're doing? Those blissful moments fly by, while waiting in a line for coffee seems to stretch into eternity. This subjective experience of time is intensely personal and profoundly poetic. It's as if we're all time travelers already, moving through our unique timelines, influenced by our emotions, our experiences, and our perceptions. As we circle back to the park with me and my friend, the sun setting and casting long shadows, I recall thinking that maybe, just maybe, the magic of time isn't in changing it, but in living it. Whether or not we ever discover a way to travel through time in the literal sense, we are already journeying through our time here. Each moment, each day, a new chapter in our ever-unfolding story. So the next time you find yourself pondering the possibilities of time travel, remember that every second is an opportunity to create memories worth holding on to. And who knows, in the tapestry of time, perhaps we are weaving threads that might one day allow us to slip between the layers, exploring the vast and wondrous continuum of time itself. Until then, let's cherish the time we have, savor the present, and dream boldly of what the future holds.